Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev. Recently I found this H81 from Royal Kludge on Amazon for as low as $79.99 US on the moment of recording of this video. And I think this is perfect price for the custom full assemble mechanical keyboard. So let's unbox this keyboard. Let's check the main parameters: keycaps, switches, stabilizers. Let's do the sound test, let's do the RGB test, and let's check the gasket mounted structure. And maybe let's apply some light moddings, if it will be required. Okay, let's check what we have inside the box. So obviously, first of all, we have a keyboard itself, well packed in dust cover and another plastic cover, and here we go, a retro style mechanical keyboard from Royal Kludge. Looks very interesting, not super heavy by the way, very lightweight. Also we have a standard cable, standard switch and keycaps puller, and set of additional 4 switches and user manual. Okay guys, I believe that you can read the description of this keyboard or of this product on product selling page on Amazon or Royal Kludge store. So I will not repeat this description, but I want to mention some really important parameters of any mechanical keyboards what we have in this H81. So first of all, this is an ANSI 75% layout with a retro design elements over the case, and this is really interesting element. Just check this out. Also, obviously, this is a 3-way connection with Bluetooth, wireless, wired, and a battery of 3750, which is like mostly standard size of the battery for this size of the keyboard. You have the knob, but this knob is only for switching between different connection types, Bluetooth or wireless, and unfortunately it will not change, for example, volume or RGB brightness. Also, it's interesting and important that we have USB-C hub on the back side of the case. Usually it's USB-A ports, but in our days, you know, USB-C is much more important than USB-A. So in general, guys, you have many options of this keyboard from the color or style point of view and switches point of view. Today I have this retro green style and tactile brown mechanical switches. So let's talk about keycaps. In this version we have double shot OEM profile keycaps. They're kind of, you know, high quality or maybe standard high quality of keycaps, but they are not shine through type. Regarding the switches, this PCB is support 3 or 5 pins of mechanical switches, which is good, so you are open in your customization journey, which is good. Switches are factory pre-looped, so you can save time and effort not doing this, right? What about stabilizers? They are also pre-looped, and I don't see any rattling or noise, so they are good. Like a ghost, Oh guys, what about RGB? Let's test it out. Obviously, we can switch different schemas and colors, but it's losing functionality a bit because, you know, they are not shine through, so basically it's only overall style. You anyway will not see the legends in a dark environment. Also, you have a software, by the way, only for Windows, where you can customize your macros or reassign the keys, which is additional possibility to customize your keyboard. Okay, one of the main features of this keyboard is a gasket-mounted structure. So let's open the case and let's check what is inside. And inside I can see that we have gaskets, plates. Also, this is a shock-absorbing cotton PCB, another sound-absorbing cotton, and bottom shell. Personally, guys, I don't see the reason or need of modding. It's a well-made structured keyboard, but if you want me to do so, please just let me know in the comments under this video. Okay guys, summary. I think it's a good piece of technology from Royal Kludge brand. It's nothing, crazy, or it will not blow your mind, but for the given budget and with a given quality of materials, my opinion that this is a well-rounded product and it's a perfect mechanical keyboard to start with if you are new to this, world of mechanical keyboards. So, my recommendation, you can try it. Thank you for being with me over this review. I hope it was useful for you. If yes, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.